Hi everyone, we're back with N8.5 lesson 3, and today it's order of operations with integers. So we're going to do a little bit review of BEDMAS and what order of operations means. I set it up like a hopscotch board here, and I will explain why. So if you recall, BEDMAS means brackets, exponents, division and multiplication, and addition and subtraction. So when you're using these operations, it's pretty easy. First, you're going to do the brackets and then calculate any exponents that appear. When we're using integers, you're not going to see any of those in this grade. Division and multiplication come next, and they always are done in the order they appear in the question. That's why they're side by side here. I'll explain this wedding stuff in a minute. Addition and subtraction are last, and again, they're in the order they appear in the question. So think of division and multiplication as being married. Although they're together, sometimes a wife goes first and sometimes a husband goes first. The same goes for addition and subtraction. Both are calculated in order of which one appears first in the question. Hopefully this is review from grade 7. Okay, so let's give it a try here. Here's your initial question. As there's no brackets or exponents in the question, the first step is division or multiplication in the order they appear. Okay, both are there. This has a D and an M in that order, but again, these are interchangeable. So it's whichever appears first. So multiplication appears first, so that's what's done first. So rewrite each step of the question. So 3 plus 36, 9 times 4, minus 2 divided by 2, and then the next step is 3 plus 36, now we got to do the division, which is 2 by 2. So subtract 1, and then we do the addition, 36 plus 9, minus 1, and we get an answer of 38. Okay, this is without any integers other than them being positive right now. Next up, here we have brackets, so they go first. 5 minus 3 is 2. Rewrite every other part of the question. Then comes multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8. Rewrite other components of the question. Then we do the addition. 24 minus 7. Subtraction. Answer is 17. Okay, so here we go. Let's give this a try. Drag the correct steps over to solve the problem correctly. Okay, so here we have brackets. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. That's coming first. So let's find that over here. We're going to want to subtract 8. Everything else is written out the same. Okay, I don't want this equal sign when you're actually writing these out. These won't be evident. Next, we've got multiplication. 4 times 6 is 24. All right, rewriting everything else out. Next, we have addition because it comes first. 8 plus 24 is 32. And then we have our addition again, or sorry, our subtraction first. 32 minus 8 is 24 plus 5. 24 plus 5 is 29. Now, if we would have done these in the wrong order, this is what would have shown up. So, very important to keep this correct. Here's your answer. Okay, so let's do a few here. 12 divided by 3 comes first. Nope, there's a bracket. So rewrite 12 divided by 3 plus 5 times 5. Now division and multiplication show up, so division comes first. Then multiplication comes along. Then addition. All right, next one, brackets first. And I do want you to rewrite all this for now, okay? Just getting back into the steps of BEDMAS. Okay, multiplication is next. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we've got addition and subtraction in the order they occur. 12 plus 13 is 25. All right, as far as BEDMAS goes, the same exact rules apply. So I'm going to jump into some questions here, and they're going to look quite a bit different, but follow me here. Now, when the question is written, if there's a square bracket, you do what's in those square brackets first, because the curved brackets are what are showing the integer. Okay, here we have -9, +2, -3. The square bracket is what we would do first. We would do what's inside, and then follow our rules of BEDMAS. Okay, I'm not actually going to do that question. We're going to jump into some down here. And you're going to see that the rules of adding and subtracting integers from grade 7 are going to have to come back to you. I'll work through those in the following examples. I'll also put up a review video for you from YouTube so that in case you've forgotten some of the rules of that. Okay, so here we go. We've got square brackets, and again I'm using that backslash sign as division instead of this, only because my keyboard doesn't allow me quick access of that. Same thing it means. So here we go. Square brackets first. -6 plus -2 I know is -8. And we have divided by, I'm going to rewrite each step again. The reason I do that is because here's BEDMAS, right? We've got 8 divided by -4. So we wouldn't do this -4 plus 5 together. Kids often get fooled by that. Okay, so -8 divided by -4, we know the answer is a positive because signs are the same. So we have +2 plus -5. And I know that answer to be -3. Okay, up here, this is a little different because you need to do what's on top first before you divide what's on the bottom. All right, that applies for both of these. So let's do what's up top first using BEDMAS rules. So we've got 2 plus 4 times -8, which is -32, divided by -6. All of this is divided by -6, so we're finishing up here. So +2 plus -32 is -30, divided by -6. Two signs the same, so we know our answer will be +5. Okay, next one up here. Inside those brackets first on top, 18 subtract -6, I know is +24. Again, you may have to revisit those rules a bit. And I got times -2 over 3 times -4. Again, I'm going to finish what's up top. That gives me -48 times 3, or sorry, divided by 3 times -4. So I get -48 divided by -12. Two signs the same, meaning I have a positive answer. 48 divided by 12 is 4. Okay, so that's as simple as it kind of gets. Your questions are going to look like this. It's a quick assignment. And again, just review this video if you need to, and I also put another one up for you. Okay, good luck with the assignment. I'll see you in the next lesson.